Na. Hey! Wow. Let's go! Wow! Yeah! Uh-oh!
Hello everyone, welcome to DIY House. Today, I will guide you on how to make a castle for our beautiful princess, Elsa. Let's get started. We will start with cardboard to make the frame, floor, and walls. I choose this starry sky. The colorful paper will make the room much more beautiful. I will make a slide and add pearls to make the edges look even more beautiful and elegant. Those cute pearls, I like them. Do you have them? The main part of the slide is made from hard cardboard. Covered with a pink glitter layer, add a piece similar to earlier. Okay, done. I've already prepared the castle. Now let's make one side of the tower. Divide it into 3 compartments for the princess to store her shoes and handbags. I'll decorate the shelves with a gold necklace. Wonderful!
Wow!
The princess loves captivating scents, so I'll make her some perfume bottles. 3 bottles should release a delightful fragrance. Do you know what I'm doing? A pair of high heels made from foam. With 2 flowers attached, it's really beautiful, isn't it? The bottom shelf is for the princess to display the limited edition bag she hunted before Rapunzel and Ariel. It looks amazing. I can't remain calm in the face of its beauty. I roll up a piece of hardboard to create a round tower. Add a chain. Let's make a window and decorate it to look more like a castle. Attach a spire end to windows. Good. Add a pointed roof made of green glitter foam. Now, let's decorate the tower further. Oh, it didn't work out. Go and find a hamster artist to ask for his help. Hello! Can you help me draw an arch for the princess's castle?
Okay.
Oh, it's a wonderful piece of work. Thank you, sir. I'm adding steel wire to make it easier. A green gem.
A beautiful castle. I really like it.
The dress, with its pink and sea blue color scheme, resembles the dress I've been secretly wishing to buy for a long time. But I haven't had enough money for it.
Wow.
At the head of the bed, I'm using cardboard, covering it with green clay. I have lots of large and small gemstones in various colors. A comfy mattress and a warm blanket will help the princess have a good night's sleep. I think a heart-shaped pillow sounds like a lovely idea. Using clay, adding a green diamond, and framing it with a necklace chain is a creative and elegant touch. It would make a great addition to the princess's room.
The bed is really beautiful. I love it very much. Uh-oh. I'm here from the part-time cleaning company. You called us, didn't you? That's right. You go inside here. Please clean this area thoroughly. Okay.
Oh, yo, 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 yo.
This area is still not clean.
Let's go back to complete Princess Elsa's castle. A colorful curved staircase made from cardboard and foam glitter is what I'm going to create. Pink, purple, navy blue, blue, green, yellow, orange. I used white pearl beads for the staircase railing. The rainbow staircase looks absolutely beautiful. The castle is really beautiful, isn't it, guys? If you have any ideas or suggestions, please share them by writing a comment below. I'm always ready to listen. Thank you for watching my video.